Asana Task Manager Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to this honest review of Asana Task Manager. If you're looking for a task management tool, you've probably come across Asana. In this video, I'll break down its features and tell you exactly who this tool is built for. If you're interested, links to Asana are in the description below. Asana is a project and task management tool designed to help teams and individuals track their work, collaborate efficiently, and hit deadlines. With its intuitive interface, you can easily create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and monitor progress. The software offers a range of features, such as task prioritization, project timelines, calendar views, and progress tracking. It also supports integrations with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams, making it a solid choice for businesses using multiple platforms. One standout feature is its ease of use. You can quickly navigate through projects and tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Asana also provides a My Tasks section, which compiles all your individual tasks across different projects, giving you a clear overview of what needs attention. For teams, the ability to comment on tasks, upload files, and tag people keeps communication organized and central to each task. So, who is Asana for? It's great for teams of any size, whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise. Freelancers and solo entrepreneurs will also appreciate its streamlined task management and project organization. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one tool that includes advanced time tracking or resource management, you might find Asana a bit limited without additional integrations. In conclusion, Asana is a powerful and user-friendly tool for managing tasks and projects, but it might not suit every team's specific needs. I recommend giving it a try to see if it fits your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your support helps others discover useful information like this.